All property improvements, whether completed by a homeowner or a contractor, must comply with the development standards outlined in the City of Edmond's current Code of Ordinances. These standards exist to protect homes, safeguard property, and ensure the safety of everyone who lives there. In some cases, homeowners undertake major repairs without obtaining the required permits or following safety codes. When work is done without proper oversight, it may not meet city codes and can create serious safety concerns. These situations can lead to health and safety hazards such as water or gas leaks, increased fire risk, contamination, and conditions that allow dangerous mold to develop. Over the lifetime of a home, certain repairs are common. What many homeowners don't realize is that some of these improvements require permits and must be completed by a licensed contractor. There are many types of plumbing issues that can occur in a home. For significant alterations to plumbing systems like major pipe replacement for sewer and water lines, a licensed contractor and proper permits is required. Repairs that involve only the working parts of a faucet or valve or clearance of stoppages can be accomplished by the homeowner without a permit. Replacing a toilet does not involve a permit or a licensed contractor. Replacing a water heater, however, must be accomplished by a licensed contractor and requires a permit. Most water heaters use gas. A professional contractor will ensure the water heater is properly ventilated so that hazardous fumes are not directed into the home. They also make sure that it is positioned properly to decrease the chance of a fire. Making electrical improvements can be very dangerous, so using a professional electrician is always recommended. For alterations to electrical systems that involve more than replacing switches or receptacles, a licensed contractor and the proper trade permit is required. For example, adding any type of outlet, even a ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI, requires a licensed contractor and a permit. A GFCI outlet protects the home and its occupants in areas where electrical systems are near water or moisture. They must comply with city code regulations and function properly in case of an emergency. When swapping out an existing outlet or an existing GFCI, no permit or contractor is required and can be performed by the homeowner. Be sure to shut off the power to those outlets from the circuit breaker panel before performing any work on them. Mechanical improvements include work performed on a heating, ventilation, air conditioning system, or HVAC. Installing new ductwork or alterations to the system requires a permit and a licensed contractor for life safety, making sure that such work is properly accomplished and meets the requirements set forth by the Construction Industries Board. Replacing an exhaust fan may not require a permit, but it is important for exhaust fans to be vented to the outside to avoid accumulation of moisture, mold, and rot. Having a licensed professional complete necessary repairs helps ensure the work is done correctly and safely. The City of Edmond's Development Services Department can make the permitting process simple and convenient. Inspections are typically completed within 24 hours. If you have questions about permits or which home improvements require a licensed contractor, call 405-359-4780 or email buildingadministration@edmondok.gov. You can also find helpful resources by visiting edmondok.gov/safe at home.